J Drone here, and if you're new to the channel, you might not have seen this. I think 6 months ago was the last time I flew it. M5 from Wingsland. Wingsland's one of my favorite companies just because of the color and style. This is a full GPS drone. We're just gonna give this a fly. I haven't flown in a while. We charged up the battery, and here we go. So we are going to click takeoff here. I'm connected to 15 satellites. I did do a calibration. It does only do a clockwise calibration, no nose down or anything. And take off, take off. There it is. Again, full GPS drone, also has optical sensors underneath it. It's sitting pretty nicely. It's moving a little bit because the wind's blowing this way and it's pitching against it, but that's typical with everything that I've had. We're going to give it a little fly. The height and distance meter on this is at the bottom here and it's really, really tiny. So we're just gonna go up, uppity, uppity, up, 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 and I'm gonna give it a little fly. Again, I like Wingsland because of the style. I like Wingsland because of the style, because of the look of the drones. Right now, let's see, 100 and some meters away from myself. It's hard to gauge, and I think a wind gust actually blew us out of orientation. So we're gonna go up. It's able to screw up my orientation, because when it blows hard against we'll show you, when it blows hard against the main body of it, it's like a wall, and it kind of pivots it a little bit. But yeah, the camera itself they failed on, which we'll get in here. Not because of the quality, it is a 720p camera and it does well, but because of the angle. Right now, let's see, I'm just gonna point it right there. Right now it's facing me, and we'll get it up a little bit higher. It's just so downward pitched, it's ridiculous. They really should have just made it a forward facing camera. I don't know why they down pitched it, because generally, like right now, it's actually pushing backwards a little. Generally your nose is down flying. Like right now our nose is down. So all it's catching is the ground. Doesn't make for a great film. But again, as far as GPS qualities, it's sitting there, it's sitting nice, and again, all we see on the screen is snow because it's fighting the wind. Now if I turn it around this way, it's going to be backpedaling against the wind, and then we get a decent picture. But that's, if you're going to use this for video, you really have to be able to maneuver this drone. Because I've gotten decent film, but it's been it has been when I've been backpedaling. Like say I wanted a shot of what's directly in front of me. I'd have to backpedal and go like that. And then you get a decent shot because the nose is actually tipped upwards a little bit. So fly backwards. I'm trying to gauge which way I'm facing here. This way. And dude, I don't know. I don't know why they did that with the camera. That is my only complaint about this drone. I've never really taken it the distance, because I really have no need to. I'm not exploring with this because the nose is constantly down. Could I put a Q6 on this and get great film? Absolutely. We are dealing with wind. As you can see, it has zero issues dealing with the wind. We're trying to stay away from there just because of the sun. Right now, the back is towards the wind, so it's pitching backwards against it, and we're getting decent video off of this. We'll go ahead and climb up a little bit. 27.5 meters up, really not that high, but we're getting a decent picture of the small town there. We'll go up a little bit higher. And if I was facing the other way, which I will, we're looking at the ground. Because again, the nose is pitching downwards against, we'll face the other way. The nose is pitching downwards against the wind. So you really have to play this drone to the poor camera setting by Wingsland. I have the Wingsland Minivet and I absolutely love it. It's kind of like a Phantom-ish type quadcopter, if that makes any sense to anybody, where it has the gimbal underneath it and has a Phantom body style and frame and everything. That one you don't have to worry about adjusting the camera. This one you do if you're gonna fly it like that. Yeah, we're just gonna take it out a little ways here. Gotta be careful though, because again, that wind flying out that direction, it now has to pitch to the left a little bit, and if a hard gust gets it, it's gonna switch around my orientation, which we're gonna turn this way. I think I still got my orientation on tap. Pretty good at orientating things. I put myself in the seat of the drone. So I mean, when I'm rotating like that, I'm doing a mental note that we just rotated like that. I'm gonna get this down. And again, right here, it's pitching leftwards, but because of the body, it's almost like a wall. If a hard gust of wind comes, it's gonna yaw that way, or it's gonna yaw that way. And far away, you're not gonna be able to judge that. Have this sit maybe like right there, if you will, and get the hat cam all up in it. Down a little bit. AM zone. M5 from Wingsland. I do believe we have battery on this too. I think it's showing me at 40% battery on the app. We're locked to 15 satellites. Just gonna do a run out. There's some person out there with a dog or something over there. I don't know. I can't see him. And what do we got here? The flight battery is low. Please land the aircraft as soon as possible. At 30%, it's giving me that warning. So we'll do it. I have no real reason to press this battery. And next time I'm going to use this, I don't know when it's going to be. So to leave 30% on the battery probably ain't a bad idea. Saying the flight battery is low. Now we're at 20%. So we're gonna come over here. Woo, easy there, buddy, don't kill me. Bamzo. There you go, guys. M5 from Wingsland. The sun's over there, so let's play our shadows right. Bamzo. There it is, M5 Wingsland. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do. If you want to support the page, down below will be a patreon.com. Costs $1. Support the page, man. I do a lot on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. It's for the whole kit and caboodle, not just YouTube. And again, guys, subscribe. There's a link above for this video. You want to copy that and drop that on your wall to help the channel grow. I would appreciate that. And Bamzo, M5 from Wingsland. Later.